My name is Claudio and I come from Toronto, Canada. I'm a firefighter. First off, I was doing 6 months worth of research to find out which clinic would be best. And I found just a ton of reviews with Vera Clinic online, and I actually knew somebody that came here and did it personally. So that was the reason why I decided to pursue this one place. And then when I showed up here, just the aesthetics of the building, how clean it was, the staff, I was sold right at the beginning, just based on that first impression. The very first time, they told me that I would need 2 sessions, so they were very honest. Like right up front, they were very honest. They told me exactly what I needed, and they didn't like set the expectations too high, but they were very on target with what they were trying to deliver, and I felt like I could trust them immediately, right up front, like right when we had our consultation. So it went very well. And when we came for the consultation, I felt like I was at home, you know? So I want to, especially thank Gokhan for that. He's a very patient man, and I think he really made me feel at home, and that was the main thing. You know, when you're far away from home and you feel like you went somewhere and you feel like you're home again, that's a big thing to accomplish, especially to someone that's so insecure about their hair. Yeah, they were fully honest with what they thought they can deliver. They gave me sort of like a baseline as to what they can deliver, and then they kind of like over-exceeded that baseline. The process itself was pretty smooth. It wasn't rough at all, and the nurses took care of me, and they really made me feel like, again, like I was at home, and that was the main thing. Amazing. Sorry. It was amazing. It's okay. The hygiene, the cleanliness, the way that the clinic looked was spotless, it was clean. I have no complaint, and I'm a very particular individual, like very particular. For me not to have a complaint, it's kind of a surprise, really. So I was blown away by the cleanliness, the hygiene, the professionalism, customer service. It's a 5 out of 5. It was amazing. Everyone is willing to listen to what you have to say. They're there for your, for your care, pre and post, and of course during the procedure, of course. I have no complaints at all. It was all very well done, and I'm very worth every penny for sure. I 100% would recommend, if anyone's looking for hair care and for the top transplant in Istanbul, give Vera Clinic a call, because the quality of service is second to none. And the best review that I had was somebody that I knew that came here, and then I did my research for about 4 or 5 months after that. But the best review that I had in person was somebody that I knew that came here and referred me to come here, and I saw their results. So I didn't bother really looking anywhere else, and I did all my research on this particular clinic, and I was sold. The minute I got here, I was sold. So if they're thinking about it, Vera Clinic is the place. It's a commitment. It's a bit of a jump. Especially if you're coming from, North America, there's tons of places to go there. But with the cost, issues aside, of how expensive it is to do it there, when you commit to the process here and you pay for your plane ticket, you're in. You have no other choice now but to come. So that's kind of how I felt. I said, I'm just gonna buy the ticket, I'm coming, and we're gonna see what unfolds when I get there. But I knew that I was kind of riding on a lot of confidence already, because I knew somebody that did this already. So for someone that doesn't know anyone that's done it already, it might be a little bit hard and hesitant, but I'm telling you to just take that jump. And if you're looking to restore your hair, Vera Clinic knows exactly what they're doing. They're very professional. Like I said, their team makes you feel like you're at home. That's a big deal, especially for me. So I would fully recommend them to come see Vera Clinic in Istanbul.
Thank you. That's all my questions.
It's my honor, folks. It's my honor. It's my honor.